Everybody, this is a guided walkthrough for level number 19 from the Bandit CTF labs over at overthewire.org. Let's take a look at the level goal for this level first before we log in. So it says to gain access to the next level, you should use the SUID binary in the home directory. Execute it without arguments to find out how to use it. The password for this level can be found in the usual place /etc/bandit_pass after you've used the SUID binary. So let's log in and then we'll talk a little bit about how this level works. So over here, we'll log into Bandit level 19. It's going to ask for the password. Let me go ahead and grab that password real quick. Okay. Paste in the password. Paste in the password. Okay, we're logged in. So what were they talking about? They were talking about this binary over here. So this is what is referred to as a SUID binary. And we can tell that something is a SUID binary when we examine it because it has this S bit set over here when we look at it with the ls command. So what does this actually mean? Let's talk a little bit about this. Okay, so in Bandit level 19, we're talking about SUID binaries. So this level features an SUID binary that runs as the Bandit 20 user. So an SUID binary will always run with the permissions as its file owner. And in this case, the file owner is the Bandit 20 user. So because SUID binaries always run in the context of its file owner, that is Bandit 20, when we run this binary, we'll basically be running it with the Bandit 20 user's permissions. Remember, we're the Bandit 19 user, and we want to access Bandit 20's password. So we can use this SUID binary to read the Bandit 20 user's password. So let's go ahead and illustrate what's going on here. So as the Bandit 19 user, we don't have access to the password for Bandit 20. So if we take a look at etc. bandit pass, bandit_pass, bandit 20, we see that this file is owned by Bandit 20, so we won't be able to read it. The only person that can read it is the Bandit 20 user. So if we try to read this file, bandit pass bandit 20, it says permission denied. But if we use this SUID binary, we can bypass this restriction because this binary basically runs any command as the Bandit 20 user. So we run bandit 20 do, and then we run cat /etc. bandit pass /bandit 20. And then we get the password. Okay, so before we finish out, let's talk a little bit about what we did in this level. So over here, this is Bandit level 20. Actually, no, this is Bandit 19. Okay, so in Bandit level 19, this is the password. The objective was to gain access to the next level, you should use the SUID binary in the home directory, execute it without arguments to find out how to use it. The password for the next level is found in the usual place in the /etc/bandit_pass directory after you've used the SUID binary. So the method of solve for this level is that the SUID binary runs as the Bandit 20 user. We know from the documentation that the password is in the etc. bandit pass directory. So we just need to run the binary and then run the command we want to run to get access to the password. And then we're finished. Okay, so everybody, this was a guided walkthrough for the Bandit 19 level over at overthewire.org, Bandit CTF games. If you enjoyed this guided walkthrough, please click on the like and subscribe buttons on the video and leave a leave a comment underneath the video. But until next time.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.